Drones. Unmanned flying machines. Source, built-in. By visualgk.com. A drone refers to any aerial vehicle that receives remote commands from a pilot, or relies on software, for autonomous flight. Sometimes referred to as unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, drones carry out tasks that range from the mundane to the ultra-dangerous. UAVs are often separated into two categories: civilian and military. While civilian UAVs are used for package deliveries and recreation, military drones are used for reconnaissance missions and carrying out offensive strikes on enemy targets. Originally developed for the military and aerospace industries, drones have found their way into the mainstream because of the enhanced levels of safety and efficiency they bring. Military-grade drones may fit in a backpack, or they may be nearly as big as a full-size plane, and loaded with death-dealing armaments. These drones can cost tens of millions of dollars. How do drones work? Drones rely on a combination of hardware and software components to achieve successful takeoff, flight and landing. Drones are often equipped with rotors or fixed wings, sensors, navigation systems, and gyroscopes for stability, and are operated by ground control stations. From delivering commands to ensuring a manageable weight, pilots must take into account the various factors that make a drone suited for specific jobs. Behind the blades. Computer. The onboard computer measures vital information, such as onboard battery life, and GPS coordinates, feeding that information back to the pilot. Accelerometer. Sensors such as accelerometers and altimeters record the speed, direction, and altitude of the drone. Rotors. Each of the drone's rotors are made up of propellers and motors that, when spinning, generate a downward thrust that lifts the drone into the air. Power source. A drone's power typically comes from lithium polymer rechargeable batteries. Camera. Many drones are equipped with cameras to capture aerial footage. Uses of drones. Military. Probably the oldest, most well-known, and controversial use of drones is in the military. Today's drones are much more advanced, equipped with thermal imaging, laser rangefinders, and tools to perform air strikes. One of the most prominent military drones in use today is the MQ-9 Reaper. This measures 36 feet long, can fly 50,000 feet in the air undetected, and is equipped with a combination of missiles and intelligence-gathering tools. Special delivery. Receiving your packages by drone might seem like something out of a science fiction novel. However, in the past few years, tech giants have been working hard and fast to make it a reality. With its latest model, the MK27-2, Amazon is one step closer to making Prime Air a reality. The MK27-2 will be able to deliver packages up to 2.3 kilograms, in a range of 15 miles. Medical supplies. One of the most important ways drones are revolutionizing delivery systems is in the world of medicine. Drones have the ability to respond to emergencies much quicker than other means of transport, and can deliver vital medicines to remote areas. The National Health Service in the UK announced that courier drones will ferry chemotherapy drugs to hospitals as part of a pilot scheme. Wildlife monitoring. Drones offer another set of eyes in the sky to watch over the world's wildlife. For example, the National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration is using UAVs to remotely survey beluga whales in Alaska. Similarly, an organization, called Wildlife Drones, is using UAVs to track some of the most endangered species on Earth. By ditching handheld radio trackers, and replacing them with drone-bound receivers, researchers can gather more data, in a shorter amount of time. Space exploration. The first drone to journey beyond Earth's atmosphere landed on Mars in February 2021. Ingenuity is a remote-controlled UAV, used by NASA, to demonstrate the first powered flight on another planet. Due to the 140 million-mile distance from Earth, Ingenuity takes off and lands, based on pre-programmed conditions, such as Martian wind speed. Farming and agriculture. Farmers and agricultural engineers use drones for crop monitoring, to accurately plan harvests, and improve processes such as the delivery of fertilizer. The use of drones in agriculture is often referred to as precision farming, due to the high level of precision that drone servers can map out land use. Drones for photography. Drones have been a boon for photographers, who use UAVs to take expansive aerial photos. Ever wonder what it's like to get a bird's eye view of your favorite city, beach, or building? There are drones made specifically for photography, that provide a new way to photograph some of your favorite destinations, from above. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com